Ladies and gentlemen, how are we? It is I, Click to Enlarge, here to talk about gaming news, pop culture, and anything I find entertaining. And hey, we had a Nintendo Direct today, and I gotta say, it was all right. It was okay. No, I wouldn't say that there are any major news announcements, but hey, let's kind of go over the things that I think you may or may not like. So we have the Super Mario RPG remake. Now, they showed us a little bit more of the gameplay, some new elements that's involved in the game. I do have the original SNES cartridge, thanks to an ex-girl of mine who's probably watching. Hi, thanks for the game. Have not played it yet, by the way. But I digress. I'm hyped for this new remake of the game. They did say that in the new Mario RPG, after you do a boss battle, you can go back and like have a boss plus battle that's a bit more difficult. I'm excited for it, and that comes out November 17th, so I think that's going to be a definite day one buy for me. A game that kind of piqued my interest is a game called Another Code Recollection. Looks like an interesting spin on like a puzzle adventure type game in a very, I wouldn't say liminal type of setting, but a Alan Wake, What Remains of Edith Finch type feel of a game. And it's a sequel to another game from the Nintendo DS called Another Code. And you're going to be getting that game too with Another Code Recollection. I don't know. It's one of those words, right? And something that I found really interesting, which I'm glad, and it's about time, Princess Peach Showtime. Did I make a pun there? I don't know. I think it's about time Princess Peach had a game of her own. It's been way too long. Essentially, you go to a show and you become you put on a kind of like a play, and she puts on different roles, and I think it looks like a lot of fun. Will I be getting it? I don't know, but I think it looks like a fun game. It's available March 22nd. And like I said, well deserved. She needed a game a long, long time ago. There's a lot of RPGs out for the Switch now. I mean, it's kind of crazy. And I've never played any of the Saga games. Like, I think my initial introduction to any Saga game was Saga Frontier back on the PlayStation 1. So this Saga series has been around for a while, but hey, it looked really cool. Turn-based fighting. You could choose up to 6 different characters, go through, I think they said it was 12 worlds. And that looked quite interesting to me. So, hey, if you're a fan of the Saga Frontier or Saga series, you get a new Saga game. Something that actually came out of left field for me was the fact that you're going to be able to play the first 3 original Tomb Raider games. How have they aged? I don't know. I feel like when I originally played these games, the puzzles were a little obtuse. The graphics were okay at the time, which they re-up the graphics here. They've updated them. Good enough. It's not perfect, but it's much better on the Switch than if you were to play it on your PlayStation 1. Just put it that way. So if you're a fan of the Tomb Raider series, you have Tomb Raider Remastered. It's available February 14th, 2024. That might have a lot of people hyped. So another game that kind of got me going, new Contra game. A reimagining of Contra. It's a side-scroller Contra. So if you're into revisiting some nostalgia, it looks really good. I'm sure it's going to be difficult in all the Contra ways. So, hey, I might give that a try. Now, if you haven't played Luigi's Mansion, play the newest one. It's fantastic on the Switch. But if you want to go back, they have the second Luigi Mansion they're bringing to the Switch next year on summer 2024. Luigi's Mansion is so much fun. I was so excited when it came out for the GameCube. I absolutely love the first one. I own all of them. I have all the ones on the 3DS and everything. So again, like Luigi's Mansion, if you've only played the most recent one on the Switch, Luigi Mansion 2, definitely worth checking out. And then here was something really interesting. They're building a Nintendo museum. And I think that's really great. And that's another thing, like, that's about time. That should be super fun. However, that's going to be completed in March of 2024. So, and plus, it's not going to be available stateside. It will be in Japan. So another reason to go visit Japan, aside from, you know, the ramen and Street Fighter Third Strike.
Aegis Reflector.
Here's something that I found really, really interesting. They're bringing back F-Zero, but it's going to be F-Zero 99. They're turning the original F-Zero game into a battle royale. And basically, you're going to run through the course. Anytime you bump into things, you're going to be losing energy. You're bumping into people. It's, that type of stuff. And, last one standing remains, basically. They added extra features as well for, like, skins and things like that. And oddly enough, which I wouldn't say oddly enough, I think it makes sense. F-Zero is only available for the Nintendo Switch Online members only. So they're making an incentive to go ahead and get the Switch Online service. Now, to no surprise, we got a little look at the Booster Course Pass for Wave 6 of Mario Kart 8. We got a bunch of new characters. Funky Kong, Peach, and a few others. Honestly, I stick to my main guy, Wario. My build for Wario and his cart, top notch. But courses look great. It's Mario Kart 8, guys. It's the king. I already paid for the booster course, so I'll be looking forward to that. And last but not least, their big reveal was Paper Mario: The Thousand-Year Door. I had started this game, and I don't know. This was their grand reveal. I'll be getting this. I've been enjoying what I've put into. I think I put like an hour and a half into the original Paper Mario. But hey, I'm all for HD remakes and upgrades, especially for Nintendo games. So I'll probably be who am I kidding? I'll be buying this. Do I want to? Not really, but it's Paper Mario: The Thousand-Year Door. It's apparently like one of the best Paper Marios they've ever made. So hey, that's it. So it was okay. I think it was okay. Like I said, lots of RPGs. If you're into those, I love RPGs. But man, there's so many out there now. I'll never get around to being able to play most of them. That's it. Did you watch the live event like I did? Am I jaded? I did. Was this just an okay presentation? Hey, you know what? If you're going to be making any HD remakes and adding things to Nintendo, how about we get another Star Fox? Hey, oh, by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate all the new subscribers I've gotten this week. And let's continue climbing up. We got to get to 2,000 followers / subscribers. Appreciate you guys. Talk to you soon. Take care.